Hi, this is Tom, and I'm here to talk about how to increase your return on investment on a residential rental property. So how do you increase your ROI? It's pretty simple. I do a few things. The first thing you want to do is you really want to have a good buy. So when you buy a residential property, do a few things. One, get a property that's going to appreciate. The second one is you need to find a property that's in good condition, like a good condition, or make it in good condition. And by doing that, I mean it needs to be looking like the homes in the neighborhood, hopefully with a good floor plan. So buying like that will really help you increase your rate of return. Also, one of the things that you want to do is you want to make sure that you really have a tenant in there for a long time. So if you have a great property management company, or if you're managing it yourself, make sure you really reduce your vacancies. So having a home that's really tenant friendly, so good area of town and everything like that, good floor plan, and make it where your tenant's not going to be able to move. So don't have super high rents, and keep your rents in the market rate, so it's renting out faster. And if you have the low vacancies, I feel that that's just going to keep you keep you happy, but more importantly, keep a tenant in your home for a long period of time. And then after that, you slowly want to increase rents so they stay up with the market rates. So I hope that information helps. There's a lot more ways to make money in real estate. I would love to talk to you about it. If you have a chance, give me a call.